Want fixed map in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to fix the map on corner in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the settings icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now click on Basic from the left side of your screen. Then scroll down to Minimap Settings. After that, tap on the off button below, tap and hold to view full maps. And that's how you can fix the map on the corner in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.